Hello guys, we will eat now this chicken head and then the small intestine of chicken. I have now 4 chicken intestine and 2 stick of chicken head, 6 pieces. And then I will eat first this chicken intestine. I will check if it is okay or good. This is exotic food in Philippines. Street food. This one every time we will eat in the street. It's good. It's like tastes like chicken breast. It's like that. It's delicious, but I don't know if you like it or not. And then I will eat now this chicken head. Chicken head. There's many bone here inside this chicken head. There's a lot of bone. This sauce is sweet. Sweet with we put sweet tomato sauce and then add vinegar with sugar. Yeah, this one tastes good. Maybe I can finish this whole. It's delicious. You see, this one is bone. This inside is the chicken brain. And that's it, guys. This two is our favorite street food. The other one is we call balot, and this street food also. This head of the chicken and the small intestine of the chicken. We have many street food in Philippines, but this is very common. And the quail egg and the chicken egg. With chicken egg, we cook in a fried. And that's all, guys. I will do vlog again. Maybe I will do other vlog. I'll try the food of Indian food because when I go in Abu Dhabi before, I tried the Indian food. It tastes good. That's why I will make it video with biryani or uh, parata. I think parata is good, or with parata and chapati. I think chapati. My next vlog I will do that for Indian people, because I have many also friend Indian. It's a good people. Thank you guys. Bye.